Showing or hiding the search button on the home screen of your iPhone 15 allows you to customize your device's interface and control quick access to the search function. Here's how it's done. To get started, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Home Screen and App Library. In the Search section, find the Show on Home Screen option. Then, tap on the toggle switch next to Show on Home Screen to turn it on or off. When enabled or turned on, the search button will appear on your home screen. When disabled or off, the search button will be hidden from your home screen. You can see the result of the recent settings changes by heading back to the home screen. There you'll see a search button that you can tap to quickly open the search screen when the feature is enabled. If disabled, the search button will no longer be visible on your home screen. This feature on your iPhone 15 gives you the flexibility to customize your home screen layout. Showing the search button provides quick access to search functionality, while hiding it can create a cleaner look on your home screen. You can always access the search function by swiping down on the home screen, even when the button is hidden. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.